In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Canva account password. To get started, open Canva on your computer and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward, because the password settings are only available from inside your account area. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the next step. Once you're on the Canva home screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This will open the account menu, where you can access your personal settings and account options. If you have several menu items showing, take your time and choose the one labeled Your Account. After that, you'll be taken to your account settings page. Here, look for the section called Account and Security and select it. This area contains important settings related to how you sign in and how your account is protected, so it's the right place to manage your password. When the Account and Security page opens, find the Password section. In that section, click Update. This will open the password change form where you can enter your current password and create a new one. Be careful when typing, especially if your browser autofills saved information, and make sure everything is entered correctly. Now, type in your current password first. Then enter your new password in the next field. When creating a new password, it's a good idea to choose something strong and unique that you don't already use on other websites. A secure password is usually easier to protect if it combines different types of characters and is not based on obvious personal information. Once both password fields are complete, click Change Password to save the update. Canva should then apply the new password to your account. After this, your new password will be the one you use the next time you sign in. As a final tip, if your browser or password manager asks whether you want to save the new password, make sure the updated one is stored correctly so you don't accidentally keep using the old one. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Canva password, helping keep your account more secure and up to date.